Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable now bar on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or turn off now bar on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Under that, you should see a feature called now bar. Click on it. Then to turn on now bar, all these are needed to be turned on like this. So that whenever you are using any of this application and your Samsung phone screen is locked, it's going to show the now bar on the screen, including while playing music. Now to turn off now bars on your Samsung phone, you need to go back to the settings, click on lock screen and AOD, and under lock screen and AOD, click on now bar. Then just go ahead and turn off all of this. So disable everything you've turned on here, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to turn off or turn on now bar on Samsung phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.